guys, how's it going? Today I've got another cool CSX horn to look at. So, you've seen several of these. I've had several of them. This is another early 2000s K5LA. It is a CSX horn. With the 2000s K5LA, they are non-raised letter horns, of course. They're narrow font also, not wide font. With this horn, it does have a round tag. It's got some, kind of rough, I guess a rougher paint job than some of them, but it sounds really good. It's another just really good sounding horn. I really do like this era of K5LA. So anyway, not a whole lot really to talk about, just standard K5LA. You got a 1, a 2, you have a 3A, 4A, and 5. So that is about it on this horn, guys. Y'all enjoy this. This is another early 2000 CSX K5LA.